If you just got a new Windows 11 installation and you want to disable OneDrive backup, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop OneDrive from backing up your desktop, documents, and pictures folders. And if you want, how to fully unlink the PC from OneDrive too. This is especially useful if you prefer to keep your files stored locally, reduce cloud syncing, or avoid having your desktop and documents automatically redirected to OneDrive. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Windows tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, look at the taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, it may be hidden in the system tray, so click the small arrow to show more icons. Once you see the OneDrive cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. From here, you want to access the settings menu, so click the gear icon in the top corner, then choose settings. Inside OneDrive settings, look for the sync and the backup section. This is where Windows controls the automatic backup options for your personal folders. Open sync and backup and then click manage backup. You should now see the folders that OneDrive is currently protecting, usually desktop, documents, and pictures. To disable the backup, turn off desktop backup, documents backup, and pictures backup. Depending on your setup, OneDrive may ask you to confirm that you want to stop syncing these folders. Click Stop Backup to confirm the change. This step is important because it tells OneDrive to stop automatically uploading those folders to the cloud. Once that's done, your folders should go back to being managed locally on your PC. If you mainly wanted to stop the automatic backup prompts and keep OneDrive installed for other uses, you can stop here. But if you want to go further and fully disable syncing on this computer, there's one more step. Go back into OneDrive settings and switch to the account tab. Here, you'll find the option to unlink this PC. Click Unlink this PC if you want to completely disconnect this Windows 11 installation from your OneDrive account. This will stop OneDrive from syncing files on this device until you sign in again. After unlinking, OneDrive will no longer automatically sync your files on this PC, which is the best option if you want a clean break from cloud backup. Just remember, if you still use OneDrive on another device, your files there will remain available in the cloud. You're only disconnecting this specific computer, and that's it. You've now learned how to disable OneDrive backup on a new Windows 11 installation, stop folder backup for desktop, documents, and pictures, and unlink the PC if needed. If this guide helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other setup tips you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.